Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make a bunch of custom tea light boxes. Through the years running CNCKing.com, I've come up with little ideas that I want to expand into their own little businesses. And one of them was tealightbox.com. This still runs fine to this day. Basically what it does is it allows you to have a tea light box, which is roughly this size here, and you can have anything you want on all four sides. So it's a way, my overall goal with custom fabrication is to bring a little bit of custom to everybody's life. And that's a very cost-effective way of actually accomplishing that goal. So I really enjoy making tea light boxes for people and shipping them out, all across North America and Europe. Now, what I really enjoy about tea light boxes is the simplistic aspect of the design. It's just 5 pieces. So anybody could assemble it, even a child. And the other nice thing about it is when it ships, it doesn't ship as an actual tea light box, it ships flat pack. So it's very cost effective to ship pretty much anywhere. Now that I have my own shipping department at CNCKing.com, I really sort of appreciate how much I can actually save the customer by shipping things flat versus fully assembled. I've honestly lost track about how many of these tea light boxes I've made. It's been a crazy amount. I used to have boxes and boxes of these things. And the business works really well online and offline, and I really enjoy making the tea light boxes. Every once in a while you have a customer saying, well, I want something totally custom for so-and-so, and I make that as well. So that's what this is here specifically. The customer drew out what they wanted for the design, so it's not a specific font that you're looking at here. It's whatever the customer actually sketched out, and I scanned that in, and I cut out their custom tea light boxes for that. Now, of course, if you go to the website, tealightbox.com, there's, I don't know how many hundreds and hundreds of designs you can choose from, and it makes things a little bit quicker, but at the end of the day, the laser's cutting whatever the laser's cutting, so it doesn't really matter what it's cutting, as long as it's cutting something kind of cool for the customer, and they enjoy it for years to come. The reason why I make these things out of 1/8 inch MDF is because it's very cost-effective material. It cuts very clean as well. Assembly is a lot easier with glue because there's not much weight to it. And it also sands very well if you don't want that burning along the edges or the sides. And it paints wonderfully as well. When it comes to what designs you can have for the tea light boxes, they're infinite. I can literally cut anything as long as you want to have something supported on the inside parts. So let's say like an O. Let me just grab this for instance. So here's a great example. This is Korean that our water jet cut. So you have an O, you need little bridges like this here to support them. And it doesn't matter the material, the design, you always have that issue. We make, barrel head stencils, and we use polycarbonate, and we still have to apply, those sort of design principles to it. Tea light boxes are no different. You have to have some parts, some little bridges to hold the inner parts. Other than that, basically anything goes. The nice thing about tea light boxes is they're very lightweight, they're small. They fit in any room, and you can, of course, further customize your custom tea light box by just spray painting it. It spray paints absolutely wonderfully, and I have a ton of examples of that on the website. If you go to tealightbox.com, you'll see the stuff there. You can actually order online all the different tea light box options there too. But I can also go totally custom for you just as easily. So if you're looking for custom tea light boxes, head over to tealightbox.com, and we'll make it for you, and we'll ship it right to your door.